This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a terrific Lakeview East location just west of Lakeshore Drive and just east of Broadway to tour one of the apartments at Grace Shores. I'm in apartment 220, a studio in the living area, which is large enough to suction off an area for your bed and bedding. It's a breakfast bar lip on the kitchen. 4-burner gas range, white appliances, and a white tile backsplash. This is one of several finished packages at Grace Shores. Some of the units have been completely updated with stainless steel and quartz counters. Turning for a look at the entryway, where there's a wide closet, and turning back toward the living area. There's a hall approach to the bath with another closet that has both hanging and shelving space, giving you overall good storage for a studio apartment. Bath has a fresh look, has a wide mirror above the vanity, and white tile and a body spray attachment in the tub surround. Story here is location. Parking also, which is unusual for the neighborhood. Short walk to the lakefront trail and to the Broadway strip of bars, restaurants, and shops. Building has a fitness room. Definitely want to have Grace Shores on your must-see list when you're looking for a Lakeview apartment that is toward the budget-friendly end of the rent scale. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.